This is a GlidePlan map file. It's used by glider pilots for flight planning. It contains waypoints and terrain data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's map the flight. We'll start with the common fixes, but keep this in mind. I have a specialized GPN tool that functions as a deep-level recovery option. That's Plan B. The GPN file extension is associated with two distinct applications. It can represent a GlidePlan file used for financial planning and analysis, containing data related to investments, retirement, and other financial goals. Alternatively, GPN files are used by genealogy software to store genealogical data, including family trees, historical records, and biographical information. GlidePlan GPN files store financial data in a structured format, allowing users to model different financial scenarios and track their progress towards their goals. Genealogy GPN files, on the other hand, store genealogical data in a hierarchical structure, representing family relationships and historical events. The specific format varies depending on the genealogy software used. Matt Herron maintains the integrity of the GPN specification through GlidePlan. A dedicated program is essential to prevent unintended security breaches or data loss. Windows can detect the file but not its meaning, so proper reading requires the associated program. Your reliable starting command is the Open With action. Right-click the GPN file and select Open With. If GlidePlan is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that claims the file. If your GPN file will not open, do not worry. When the file is still closed, you're facing one of three standard issues. Let's run through this easy-to-read list of causes and checks. First, use glider software. Open the file using GlidePlan or an associated soaring application. Next, use text editor. Open the .gpn file in a text editor to view the text-based flight plan data. Finally, check for corruption. If the file won't load, try re-downloading it or ask the sender for a fresh copy. If no local program recognizes the GPN file, it likely indicates a naming overlap where your system is attempting to use the wrong tool for that specific format. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data in sight. When the specialized tools failed, the problem is deeper. Your best option is a universal program like FileMagick. It handles hundreds of formats and can often access content even when Windows cannot. You can download it at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a valued viewer. I truly value your viewership. If this helped, please like and subscribe to say thank you.